Burj Al Arab, the world's only 7-star hotel, and I get to tour the royal suites. By the way, it only costs $30,000 a night.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab.
The tour is starting. We are taking a golf cart ride over to the Burj Al Arab. And I got my friend back here from LCA, Samuel.
Taking you on a journey which few have gone on before.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Welcome to inside.
So we're here right now in the atrium, and just take a look at how magnificent, how beautiful the colors, this fountain. I mean, this is a real wow.
Above sea levels. As you can see, the beautiful arena above. If you look at your left pocket, that's the palm. Remember.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come in. My name is Eric, and I've been expecting you.
All
Good
right.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'll be your royal suite butler throughout your journey today, and it's my job to make you all feel like superstars. So anything that you may want or need, it will be my pleasure to make it happen. We are about to enter the living room. Get ready for a burst of color.
Wow. Oh my word.
Wow. Earlier today with my colleague Frederick, you learned about the 4 elements: earth, water, air, and fire. And Quancho, our designer, said that fire is the brightest and the strongest color of all.
So this is the living room of the royal suite, and now we're entering the TV room.
Yes. TV.
It's gold.
Gold TV.
Oh my gosh.
So it's actually easy to forget when the Burj opened its doors over 20 years ago. The technology in this room was actually cutting edge. From
Wow.
the remote control lights, the blinds, even this 55-inch TV, but of course not the gold, right? But
So I'm staying here for the night. Oh, well, no, not really. I just have it for 90 minutes up here in the royal suite. This place is absolutely immaculate. All of the different rooms, the view is just a step above anything that I've seen, luxury-wise.
windows are cleaned all year long by a team here at the Burj Al Arab, and it takes around 2 weeks to clean each side of this iconic hotel.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications for amazing content that's coming out. Whoa. This is like a pink explosion. Oh my word, look at that
Welcome to the
couch.
Majlis. It's a traditional Arabian meeting place where you can relax and talk with friends.
Wow.
And family. And I'm sure you must be thinking it's too big, right?
Now entering the Queen's bedroom. Wow. Take a look at that view.
Incredible views of the Palm Jumeirah.
Yeah. the Queen's bathroom. Now this is a bathroom.
So in here you can indulge in your signature scented bubble bath, or if you prefer, you would take a shower and be surrounded by 24 karat gold.
24 karat gold shower. What? That is crazy. But it's multiple pieces. It took them so long to match the marble up. You get a nice bubble bath. That's the Queen's side, but here comes the his side, the King's side. Wow. Dressing room, got a closet. Make sure you look good in the mirror.
Interior designer Kwanchu had to submit a proposal to buy this beautiful yellow sienna marble from the quarry when he died in 1997. So now, custom-made carpets from India, incredible marbles from Italy, and fabrics from the royal suppliers in London. All you see in the royal city is all about opulence, and I'm sure you'll love to share your luxuries today.
This suite costs typically $30,000 a night. So, I'm not staying here tonight, but maybe one day. This place is absolutely immaculate. There are the islands of the world right there. It's hard to see them, but you get that view from the other suite. So they hold a lot of events here, and one of the things they did, it was David Coulthard had his Red Bull machine up on the helipad doing burnouts to celebrate a victory. And they got the original car here. They actually used a helicopter to drop it off on the helipad. It's absolutely amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications for amazing content that's coming out, and we'll see you in the next video.